So right now, what we're gonna do, we're gonna update the thumbnail for the video that we're gonna do next. So we already have our structure. Generally, we use Spark Post. So if you do not use Spark Post to make your thumbnails, you use something else, let us know in the comments section. We like Spark Post because it's very simple, it's very clear, and it allows us to generate the type of images that we would like to. In this instance, this video is titled What is Song Structure? However, we want to change the colors. This color is from last month's colors. We want to go with these colors right here. So we're going to select that variation. Then we're going to change some colors like this. I like that. Now what we're going to do is we're going to replace the logo with this one. Well, it just loaded it in there. I don't want to just load it in there. I want to get that out of there. I want to replace. Now it's replaced. We're going to do the same thing for this logo because we've introduced this new design. We're very pleased with it. So now we have that there. For whatever reason, the emoji is not showing up in Spark Post. It will on the mobile device, but it is not on desktop variation. That's fine. We're actually going to use our other logo. Since we'll be narrating this video, we'll put our Justin David logo in here. So we'll just get that up just a little bit. See, it's a little bit larger. We'll center those, and then we'll just increase the size of this Letstalkbeats logo just slightly. And you can see like they're generally around the same size. It could actually be a little bit. We're going to increase. So now what we'll do is we'll center these together, put that space, and we're just going to make this one just a touch. We're going to increase the scale. So we'll increase the scale, then we will center it again. Okay, we like that. Nice. What is song structure? So for our video, this is how we create our thumbnails. We already have the text. The text is very simple to place in here. We have an outline on the text. You can take the outline off. If you want to change the text color, so let's change the text color to be, what are our options? These are my current options. So we're going to drag this over here, and then we're going to go with the outline color being the green. But what we're going to do, we're going to use the eyedropper, and we're going to select this green here. So click on the eyedropper, and then we want that green in there, which is just a little bit lighter. And so then we now will select here. We'll change the color of the text. We like that frosty color right there. And then for our outline of our text, we will have the options right there. Nice. We will send this back to our mobile device, and we will add the graphic before we upload it. We could use a picture, or we don't have to use a picture. In this instance, the type of picture that we would use, it could be the background of the software. It could be Reason Studios. It could be anything really. Or we could just go with this solid color in the background. This color does not really pop as much. It's kind of darker, it's cooler, but the fact we're getting into October, or rather we're already in October, it's cool, it's fine. We're gonna stick with it, we're gonna run with it. And so now we have this thumbnail done before we've recorded the video. So what we'll do after this is we will share this video. Our goal is to move forward towards 8 to 15 minute sessions when we do these forms of videos, because these videos are specifically for the people who want to learn more about how to have strong branding for your audiovisual startup, because that is one of our pillars here. One of our big goals with this channel is to encourage, inspire, and uplift other people who also want to have audiovisual startups. A part of having an audiovisual startup, your graphics, your media is important. Spark Post, with this inside of the Adobe Creative Cloud, is useful. There's many other alternatives. We don't use any of those alternatives. This is the software that we use on desktop and on mobile, and it makes for adding text and adding images simple. If you made it to this part of the video, thanks a ton for stopping by. We look forward to doing more videos like this. If you want a series of designing thumbnails, let us know in the comment section. May this reach you up, happy, and healthy in the land of the living. Thanks a ton for stopping by. Much love, respect, and peace in.